Do not be afraid. I know the storms that surround you. I see the waves that rise. I hear the silence of your cries when no one else does. But I say to you again, do not be afraid, for I am with you. You were not created to live in fear. You were not born to carry the weight of the world on your shoulders. That burden belongs to me. When you walk through fire, I will be there. When the flood rises, I will not let you drown. When the night feels endless, I am still your light. I have counted every hair on your head. I know your name, your story, your scars. Nothing in your life is hidden from me. The world may change, people may leave, but my love for you remains unshaken, eternal and pure. Fear whispers, you are not enough, but I declare, you are mine. Fear tells you, you will fail, but I have already overcome the world. Faith does not mean you will never face trouble. It means you will never face it alone. I calm the wind and the waves with just a word, and I can calm the storm inside your heart too. So why are you afraid? Have you forgotten who walks with you? I am the good shepherd. I do not abandon my sheep. Even in your weakness, my strength is made perfect. Even in your doubt, my grace remains. Even when you fall, I will lift you up. Let go of the fear that chains you. Let go of the guilt that haunts you. Let go of the lies that hold you back. And come. Come to me. Not with your strength, but with your need. Not with your answers, but with your questions. Not with your pride, but with your heart. I do not reject the broken. I restore them. I do not condemn the fallen. I carry them home. So trust me, walk with me, and do not be afraid, for I am with you, now, always, and forever.